Whiskers the cat loved to eat. He watched his humans cook every day. He wanted to try. One day the humans were gone. Whiskers saw his chance. He jumped on the counter. It was time to cook. He sniffed at a cookbook. It smelled like tuna. Whiskers licked the page. He wanted to make fish and cream soup. The pictures looked easy. He needed ingredients. First, Whiskers needed fish. He looked in the pantry. No fish. He looked in the fridge. He found some tuna. He pushed the can with his nose. It fell to the floor. Next, Whiskers needed cream. He climbed onto the counter. He saw a carton of milk. Close enough. He knocked it over with his paw. Milk spilled everywhere. Whiskers was ready to cook. He put the tuna in a pot. He added milk. He turned on the stove. He didn't know how. He patted the stove with his paw. It made a clicking sound. Whiskers waited for his soup. He was very hungry. The stove was hot. He backed away quickly. His tail brushed against the pot. The soup splashed. Oh no! The humans came home. The kitchen was a mess. Whiskers looked up at them. He meowed sadly. The humans laughed. They cleaned the kitchen. The humans made Whiskers some food. He ate it all up. It was delicious. Maybe next time he would stick to watching. Cooking was hard work.